And ball wide down the leg side would have been a good delivery to a right-hander, but wide down the leg side to the left-hander.
Now the over comes to an end. 9 done, 86 for 3.
Download the Rocks app now. Download the Rocks app now.
नानी के घर जाना है, लेकिन खाली हाथ तो नहीं जा सकते। इन ड्राइव के साथ हम राइड्स बुक करते हैं और ड्राइवर से मुनासिब कीमत तय करते हैं ताकि नानी का तोहफा रह न जाए। इन ड्राइव राइड्स ऐसे जैसे आप चाहें।
ऑफर चाहे कितनी भी अच्छी हो, अगर आपके मतलब की नहीं तो कोई फायदा नहीं। इसलिए अपने चार्ज नंबर से *699# मिलाओ और खास अपने लिए बनाई हुई ऑफर में से कोई एक सेलेक्ट करके अपनी सुपर पावर बनाओ।
Was going for them. Since then, it's been a bit of carnage. I also feel just since Abhishek Sharma has gotten out, just Oman stringing together few dot deliveries and just trying to hold this back slightly.
Yes, I think that's the thing with this format of the game. Somebody like an Abhishek Sharma, a couple of dot balls who will start to prey on his mind because he's so used to scoring off just about every delivery.
Big hit attempted, should be just the one to the leg side.
India scoring at 9.43 at the moment. In the 10th stage, and at this rate they'll get to 188, but I do believe that if there's another partnership they'll be looking at 200 at least.
We're talking about Sanju Samson. Yes, he gets the elevation today, but the recently concluded Kerala Cricket League striking at 187, 168 runs in his 5 innings. Flexibility because he's batted open, batting 3 today, but you'd find him in the middle order maybe later on in the competition.
He's a very good player. Perhaps a little too good for the Kerala League. Very, very good. At the international level, he's got a very good record. Wide. Called by the umpire. It was really, really wide. Sanju Samson relished the opportunity. He's got this chance here. He wants to keep his place in the side. Look at that. It was clearly wide down the offside.
Almost surprised the keeper as well. He did well to get his right hand down in time just to take some of the pace off that delivery. Fired in. Hit down the ground and hit with force for 6. Cannot hold Sanju Samson down tonight.
But that's what I mean. Look at that talent, look at the timing, look at the power, look at the elegance. Made it look so simple, didn't it? Made it look so easy. Yes, it's not challenging bowling, but look at that. It's not a half volley, but the timing of it. Just waiting on that shot for that nanosecond to be able to hit that ball straight. Brilliant.
Try to go through the offside on that occasion. As a couple of times he's done that, just clears the front leg slightly to the leg side, packs a punch, really hits the ball hard.
Just a little nanosecond before that connection, so he can control it and hit it straight. Magnificent, absolutely magnificent.
And then luck favors him as well. Inside edge will yield him a couple of runs to end this over. Halfway mark in the first innings, India 100 for 3. And it's time for all of us to take a little breather for drinks.
तो हो जाए सोनी धरती के नाम टपाल दानेदार का एक और कप।